Skilling's Mining News Brief. 1 year after nickel fiasco, LME left with multiple headaches. The London Metal Exchange, LME, is facing multiple challenges 1 year after the nickel fiasco, with low volumes and legal action from investors, traders, consumers, and producers. The LME has been hit with new lawsuits, adding to existing legal action by U.S. hedge fund Elliott Associates and Jane Street Global Trading, suing for a total of $472 million. The LME has also been subjected to regulatory investigation by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and Bank of England, with LME Clear being highlighted as having several shortcomings. Reforms have been implemented, including 15% price limits and OTC position reporting, but LME's decision to cancel trades has been questioned. Rivals, including the CME Group and Shanghai Futures Exchange, are maneuvering to exploit the LME's weaknesses, with the CME planning to launch a nickel contract, settled with prices gathered from a platform, to be launched by UK-based Global Commodities Holdings. The LME is also grappling with a significant disconnect with the physical market, where nickel pig iron dominates and cannot be delivered against LME contracts. Despite plans to restart nickel trading during Asian hours, nickel volumes remain low, and the LME's focus and energy must be on rebuilding its nickel contract to restore confidence and liquidity. We will bring you more updates on this story as they develop. This has been your Skilling's Mining News Brief.